Okay, students, so this is our third example of the day, and in this question we have two equations. The first one is 3x plus 2y equals to 8, and the second equation is 4x minus y equals to 7. So we have to solve these two equations. We have to find the value of x and y, and we will be going for elimination method. And the first step in elimination method is to pick a variable, and we pick a variable that has the same coefficient in both the equations. But the problem in this question is that if I go for x has 3 as coefficient in equation number 1 and 4 as coefficient in equation number 2, so these two are not same. And when I go for y has 2 as coefficient in equation 1 and y has 1 as coefficient in equation number 2, that is also different. So the challenging part is that I can't pick x because my x is not same, the coefficient of x is not same, and same is the story with the y. I can't pick y because the coefficient of y in both the equations is not same. So that is why I have written this question two times, because I will solve this question by taking x first, and then I will solve this question again by taking y. So since the coefficients of x in both the equations are not same, so in order to eliminate them we have to make it same first. So how can we make the coefficient same? A very easy method, and I will just multiply these two equations by a number in order to make it same. And what is the number? Since x has 3 as coefficient in equation number 1, so I will multiply equation number 2 with 3. And since x has 4 as coefficient in equation number 2, I will multiply equation number 1 by 4. I will just swap these two coefficients and I will multiply it with the whole equation. So equation number 1 will be multiplied by 4 and equation number 2 will be multiplied by 3. So my new equation will be 4 multiplied by 3x will be equal to 12x, and 4x multiplied by plus 2y will be equal to plus 8y equals to 4 multiplied by 8 will be equals to 32, and 3 multiplied by 4x will be 12x, 3 multiplied by minus y will be minus 3y, and 3 multiplied by 7 will be equal to 21. So by multiplying these two equations with 4 and 3, what I get is that my x, the coefficient of x in both the equations is now same. So I have successfully achieved my target number 1, that is I made the coefficient same. And then after making the coefficient same, I have to decide whether to add these two equations or subtract, and my decision will be based on the sign of the variable which I want to eliminate. So this 12x has a positive sign and this 12x has also a positive sign. So since the signs are same, so I will go for subtraction. I will write subtraction over here, and then when I subtract equations, I change the sign of my second equation. This is plus, it will become negative. This negative will become positive, and this positive will become negative. This 12x minus 12x will be cancelled out. 8y plus 3y is 11y, and 32 minus 21 is also 11. So on solving, I got y is equals to 11 upon 11, that is y equals to 1. Since I have got the value of y, I will put this equation, this the value in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 3x plus 2y equals to 8. Since my y is 1, so 3x plus 2, as it is, the value of y is 1, so I will put it in bracket. 3x, this plus 2 will go on the other side and will become minus 2. 3x will be equals to 6 and x will be equals to 6 upon 3, that is So these are my values. The value of x is 2 and the value of y is 1.